Hey guys, happy Sunday to you all. I was trying to do a live. I guess I was on a live, but then the connection went out. So this is what I was trying to show you guys. I just recently planted back some stuff. I just cleared away all this area and I just replanted. I also did a crop rotation, and this is what I still have left in my garden, and this is what it looks like now. Well, I still have the green callaloo and the red callaloo. I have some escallion over here. I have basil. I have rosemary. I have celery. You name it, I have it. I have okra. I even have castor oil. This is what the castor oil looks like. Alright, so these are red peas. They grow very fast. This is like 6 days old. Yes, 6 days old. I am just so surprised. And I even planted some string beans in this section this morning. I have mint right here, Jamaican mint. Over this section I have cucumber, just watching them, and I have lettuce, I have pak chow, so I even have papaya. So in my small tiny backyard garden I have a lot of stuff, basically whatever I can get my hands on to plant a plant. This is some Scotch bonnet pepper. I haven't transplanted them as yet, so I am just keeping it in the pot about another week. I planted these, but they're just so tiny. I have sugar cane over there, and I just reaped some corn. That's what is left. And I also have tomatoes, green banana, plantain. It's a small tiny garden, but it has basically everything in it that I eat. Also have gringo peas. Yep, so that's it for now. Happy Sunday to you all. Be safe on the road. Keep your social distancing.